It's not worth it. He's gonna keep moving back and forth.
It's okay, I get it. I have mine on HD mode, that's why.
Oh yeah.
This is a Brooklyn.
Thank you.
Short enough
That you can look right over my head. Oh, the guy is in there.
He's on the radar.
The next stop is 72nd.
He's in there. Oh, that's cool what they're doing.
You should do the same thing on Hudson Yard. Have you done that one?
Yeah.
That's very cool. I'm having more fun watching your stuff. I'm having more fun watching your stuff. There's somebody on the tracks, I guess.
Those are guys.
I know they're guys. No, that's why he honked. It's really cool what you guys are doing. It's fun. His profile, his glasses. You're going up Manhattan t-shirts.
Oh yeah, I've been keeping people around with that.
Yeah, I haven't seen
I
any.
think I heard around once, so I missed out.
Yeah. Normally we're early birds, but today we didn't.
Did you know that the second Avenue line is the first one to have like all stations handicapped?
All stations have what?
A handicap or something.
Oh.
So like people with wheelchairs. Yeah.
I didn't know that. That's cool. And it should be, because that could be you or me.
They did the announcements.
Oh yeah, because earlier today the announcements were choppy and stuff. Yeah, choppy.
If you were here early, you would have got there.
I know, I was telling you. Yeah. There was something got here
yesterday. Burned.
They don't put a countdown last night.
But yesterday was you had to be invited. You had to get an invitation.
So they were open houses like throughout last week. So I think it was all free.
They're still testing while people.
Now this thing took over 40 years to build.
It's been on and off since 1920.
Actually, it took like about during the early 20th century. Then they had to stop because of stock.
Okay, no, but I mean the one on 63rd Street that was already there when they were making.
Yeah, they knocked out the false wall.
Rockefeller.
Yeah.
30 years ago.
Roosevelt's, Roosevelt thing. Over
45 years ago.
40 something, yeah. And it took
I guess you guys are train buffs.
for about 20 years it was out. It was not being utilized. It got a lot of water damage. So they had to take several years just to bring it back to speed. 72nd.
Yeah.
That's this little thing over here. All right, guys, have fun.
Bye.
Me too.
It was nice watching your videos. It was more fun than looking out. Bye. Have a good rest of the day.
You too.
Happy New Year to you too.
This is a Brooklyn Bound Q train via the 2nd Avenue line. The next stop is Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Mine's just capped out. Hey man, can you do me a favor and like send that stuff to me?
Can I get your email?
Oh sure. What do you want now?
When I get out of Lexington.
Oh okay.